Hey y'all, welcome to the video. Let's make these chocolate caramel pretzel marshmallow bars. It's Kietha T. Thank you for joining. Let's get started. I got ahead of myself and I started spraying that dish. Let's go, guys.
Some chocolate chips and marshmallows. That's it. Let's get started. We can do this. Hey! Alright, so first we're going to go to our stove and we're going to melt this butter. Unsalted butter melting here in the pot, and then I'm about to add 1 cup of brown sugar. Make sure it's looking like this one. Now we're going to go ahead and add our marshmallows. Alright, I'm going to try to get these marshmallows melted. We're adding a lot of marshmallows. Hopefully not too many. Y'all know I always do extra over here. Have butter, unsalted butter, brown sugar, marshmallows. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add in these pretzels. I have a baking dish that I've already sprayed with Pam. You can either grease your pan or you can just use parchment paper. I am using spray. All this snow make me want to have a snack, y'all. And then we just want to spread it out. Y'all know, kind of like Rice Krispie treats. And use this to kind of flatten out my mixture. Maybe that wasn't such a good idea. In my mind, it was a great idea. Anyway, that's what it's looking like. Next step is we take our chocolate chip morsels and we melt them. And put probably about 2 cups of Okay, let's stir. You're going to be very careful with this because you do not want to burn your chips. Now the last step is we're just going to drizzle this chocolate right on the spread it across, spread it out nice and evenly. Okay, now we need to put that in the fridge and let it chill for about 15-20 minutes. That's what this is. chocolate's not ready. But this is pretty much it.
And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. As always, thank you so much. Be blessed, and I will catch you on the next video.